Hello and welcome! In this How to Draw video, we'll be drawing Peppa Pig School. Yeah, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. You ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get drawing. Okay, so we've got a paper
and marker.
We've got a marker to draw with. So let's start drawing. So I think we're going to start drawing the bottom of the school first. We're going to draw a little line here. Like that. Yep. Yep. And we're going to draw another line going up.
And do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah, I'm just going to make one a little bit longer, so it's good. Yeah, and we'll do another one at the end here as well, about the same height. And then we're going to, because we're going to draw the building in 3 dimensions, we're going to draw another line at about this point here, going up about the same height. Just like that. So it's all
like this.
Yep, parallel lines. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go from this point here to this second point here.
Why this line?
Yeah, so that makes a nice rectangle shape. Yeah, and then what we're going to do is these 2 points here, we're going to make a bit of a triangle. Well, it's only got 2 sides.
Since the school right here is a bit triangle.
Yeah, so that's the pointy bit or the part of the roof that's...
Or the clock.
That's this height.
Or the window.
Yeah, we'll add those later. And then on the other side, we're going to draw another parallel line on the same angle as this line here. So just like that.
This like this.
Yep. And then we're going to join up the top of the roof.
This
Nice
by doing
straight
a
line.
parallel line.
A parallel line, yep, that's all right with that one there. Alright, so there we go, we've got the basic shape of the school. So let's go add in some details. So now on the top of the school, they've got a...
Chimney.
Well, it's not a chimney, it's more of a bell. That's
school
right.
bell.
A school bell, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a shape which is similar to this, but a little bit smaller. So we're going to draw a line going up, and then another line here. And we'll just make a bit of a rectangle. Alright, yeah, so we're going to draw another line here next to that.
Another line there.
Yeah, and then we're going to draw another little triangle, just like what we did before. Yeah, that's good. And then another line just like that. Cool. Alright, so now we're going to draw the bell inside it. Now I'm just going to get a different marker because it's a little bit smaller. So we do a bit of a curve or an arch in there. And then the bell, we just make it a nice bell shape around like that. Very good. Alright, so let's continue. We're going to put some windows on the school. And now they've got 3 big windows on the side here. So the 3 big squares.
3 big ginormous squares.
Now inside the squares, it's the window's divided up into different window panes. So what we're going to do for that is we are going to draw. We're going to even it out. So 2 lines going down. And then 2 lines going across. So
I did 3.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right.
Or you can do it any pattern you like. So it kind of looks like a bit of a hash symbol.
Hash.
Yeah, or looks like you're going to play noughts and crosses actually. There we go.
Or just like a tic-tac-toe box.
Or tic-tac-toe, yeah. Great, okay, so that's that side done. So that's the 3 windows. Now on this side here, this is where you're going to have the door. So we're going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to start from the bottom here and go up like that. Yeah, and we're going to add a little dot in there or a little circle.
For the handle.
Yeah, the doorknob or door handle. And then up the top here in this little space here, they've actually got another window. And this is a window that's got an arch. So draw a line like that. And then we can draw a semicircle around like that.
Half a circle.
That's right. And then it's got some lines there. So it's got 1 line going down, and then you divide each of those sections by half, So you've got 3 lines there. Great, so that's looking good. So let's add some more. So Peppa Pig School is on top of a hill. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw some lines along each side here, going down on a bit of an angle or a curve. Just like that. Yeah, excellent. And I think we'll add a cloud in the corner as well. A nice fluffy cloud.
Just like a cotton candy.
Yeah,
cloud.
that's right. So lots of nice round shape like that. It does look like cotton candy.
And then we can put the tree.
Yeah, so there's a little tree here as well, so we can put that in. So we're going to put a bit of a branch down here like this.
Sometimes it's a bit tricky.
Yeah, that's fine.
Do a tree.
Yeah, just try your best. And it's got some branches on here as well, and some leaves like that.
Just like a real tree.
Yeah. Alright, just like that. That is looking great. And last thing I think we'll do is we'll add a sun. Yeah, because it's a nice sunny day. So we'll add
It's like where we are.
That's right, it's a nice sunny day today, so we'll put that in. So it's a nice big circle, and then we'll just add some lines around the sun, so that's like the sun is shining bright. Alright, so there we go. We've finished Peppa Pig School. Next step is to colour in. And we're back. So we've finished colouring them in, and I think they look really wonderful. With mine, I've added lots of green grass. I had a white marker and I added some little dots on there, so it looks like little flowers or little daisies on the grass. And what have you done with yours?
I put some daisies and I put some birds and I put it in the sky.
Yeah, so you coloured in the sky, and I'm not sure if you can see it here, but you've got some birds here flying around as well. I've also added some details on the roof as well, so just by using a darker marker, I've just gone over the top and just looks like it's got some roof tiles there as well. But anyway, so you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you did a wonderful job. It's really good. Thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Be sure to check out our channel. We've got quite a few other Peppa Pig drawings for you to enjoy. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you again next time.
Bye guys. See you in our next video.